Hi, welcome to Inspire DIYer. My name is Max, and today I'm going to be showing you all the supplies that I use for my Amazon FBA business. So just last week, I reviewed in my previous video that I do online and retail arbitrage, and recently in Canada, and this is the reason why I haven't been able to go out and source for you guys to show in the video, and that's because in the East Coast, one of the FBA warehouse is actually closed due to COVID, and they'll be open back up, I believe, for like next week or something. And also I found out that I actually exceeded the limit of the inventory, which is why I haven't shipped anything in. And I'm going to be going out probably later in this week and show you guys the process, and this also the software that I use to source the products, and also like tips and stuff like that. Anyways, for today, I'm going to show you the supplies that are essential to do this Amazon FBA business. And one of the very first thing that I sheeped out on for a very long time, oops, sorry, that's my cat, is this Scotty Peeler. So in case you didn't know, if you're doing online and retail arbitrage, you're going to be ripping a lot of stickers off, like all those like, you know, Walmart, HomeSense, TJ Maxx or whatever. And this Scotty Peeler basically just wedge right underneath into those barcodes and then peel them right off. So I used to use this like woodwork, like chisel, like because I thought it kind of works the same way, but clearly it's not. And when I got this item, I was so happy because it really saves up so much time in my life. And the next thing you're definitely going to need in complement with that is a Goo Gone, because in every stickers that you peeled off, they are going to leave a bit of residue, and obviously you don't want that for your customer to receive those items. And the other thing that you're definitely going to need for sure, and this relates to now the shipping process as well as printing stuff, is a label. And this is a particular 30 per page barcode labels. So you can use, I'm not mentioning like computers and printers here because I would assume that if you are going to start this business that you already have them available, but this label is definitely necessary to print all the FBA barcodes, and you definitely want to do that. And the next section we're going to go over is the shipping process. So definitely you're going to need packing tape, and I recommend a heavy duty packing tape. I use this brand called Duck that I get from Home Depot, which works really well. And I used a cheaper brand before and it didn't work out well, so I'm just going to leave that out. The next thing you're going to need obviously is some sort of moving box. You can reuse any moving box that you want. Something to keep in mind is that it can go above 50 pounds. So in Canada, it's like around 22.5 or something like that kilo. And you can actually reuse any moving boxes as long as they don't exceed, oh gosh, I can't remember on top of my head. I think it was like 25 inches for each side of the boxes. So keep it anywhere below that and below 50 pounds and you'll be good to go. The next thing you're going to need is a weighting scale. Now for the weighting scale, I found out that if I'm using a large moving boxes, you can't actually even see the numbers on the scale, which is why I use this particular one. I've been using it for years and it works for me. This is a Bluetooth weighting scale. So I would just put the large moving box onto here, and then it will get the data onto my phone. So otherwise you want to hop onto, I've seen they sell on Amazon as well for like a heavy duty weighting scale where you just put the item on, and then like, you know, those ones that they use in like UPS, FedEx stores, that they sell those ones too, and those work really well. And I forgot to mention, I hope you have this at home already, but a hairdryer will work really well. So essentially, if you have any barcode stick on, you use a hairdryer first, and then you use a Scotty Peeler to wedge right underneath it, and it helps to reduce the adhesive of the barcodes. And now I want to mention some of the optional items that down the road you're definitely going to need, and I would say the first one would be the poly bag, because when you first start, you may not want to ship some stuff that are exposed, like baby products, you know, like those swaddle blankets, or even beauty products where they can spill over. But you're obviously going to be gated in those categories anyway, so that's why I left that till later. The next thing you're going to need, which I find it to be useful, is this round sticker label thingy. So let's try to show you an example here. Okay, not the best example, but you can see on this product that they have this round sticker label thing the same way as well. It's just to indicate that the products are new, because sometimes customers don't actually know that, and then they'll think that it's already been used, but that's what I use to basically seal up the product. So something that's like moving and sliding around, this round sticker label works really well. And I got that from Amazon as well. I don't have any affiliate link for any of these, so you can, I can probably put some links up if you like, but yeah. The last item that I highly recommend, and this is something that I got after a few months of doing this business, is a barcode scanner. So this is a very portable one. You can get one of those like PC USB barcode as well. It works the same, except I actually use this one in the store a lot because when you go into certain stores, they're gonna put like their own custom barcode over the UPC barcode, and it kind of blocks out from you like being able to use your Amazon seller app and scan it. So with this one, on the other hand, because it just scans a straight laser like that, so I was able to scan certain products and sell them now, when in the past I used to skip on those products. Or you can try to lift up those barcodes, but it's kind of tedious, yeah. And also it helps a lot because you can link this plug into USB to your PC, and it works the same as those like hoarded barcodes scanner as well. So that's pretty much all the tools that I use. I do have, anyway, so later in the week, I will show you the software that I actually use on a daily basis. I'll show you the free ways of doing it, which is how I used to get started, and also the more recommended pay professional method of sourcing, so you can get a more accurate data. Anyways, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.